方駅を出ますと、次は御徒町に停まります。
Welcome everybody. It's a nice Akihabara night. I just got done at the manga cafe. I actually did something I have never done before at the manga cafe, which is that I found a manga volume. It was on the cafe employees recommended shelf. Found a manga volume, sat down, read the whole thing, and then left. I've never read a manga in one sitting before. But I'm still relatively slow in reading. It cost me more to read that book at the manga cafe than it would have cost to just probably buy it. But I'm still pretty happy, and I wouldn't have found it if it wasn't for the employees' recommendation. So every day you get a little bit faster with the reading. So we finished the Kantai Collection boss battle, and we beat one of the levels after that. But now we gotta contend with the next mid-boss thing that's coming up. I'm definitely not gonna beat the whole game before I leave Japan. I don't even know if it's possible to beat the game, or what it's like in those last levels or whatever. But it's not really the point to beat the whole game before we leave. Across these last 3 trips, we've been building up the progress. There's no need to get it all done now. Thinking about it. その油淋鶏チキンでセットないですか、それならダブルチーズバーガーセット、そして、フライドポテト、そして、ディッピングソースがありますか？
ソースはつけられないんです。
ありません。
ケチャップならあります。
大丈夫です。
はい。お飲み物
コカ・コーラ。
店内でお召し上がります。
持ち帰りです。
700円です。
はい。
ポイントカードよろしいですか？
大丈夫。
シートです。ちょっとお待ちください。
Nothing like a midnight McDonald's run. Unfortunately, they don't have the thing that I wanted. But there's always next time. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.